Hey guys, Rob from myppctraining.com, and today's video I'm going to walk you through how to adjust your mobile bids. It's going to kind of be a tutorial here. So I came into our agency account for this one, and you can see here we have a couple campaigns running. One's brand new and one's the one you always see, which is our white label agency campaign. And I'm going to use the data in this white label agency campaign to show you how to adjust your mobile bids. So if you log into your AdWords account, come into the campaign in question that you're working on, we're going to come over here to our navigation, come down to devices. Now there's actually two sets of devices adjustments you can do for mobile. So the first one is under devices here, and you can see mobile phones. So this is all mobile phone traffic, and you can see here we're bidding plus 20% because we want more mobile traffic because it's converting at 46% for us. All right. So first off, here's how the bid adjustment works. You can increase or decrease your percentages on the type of traffic. So mobile phones, we're telling Google we want 20% increase in traffic, and it gives you an example below here. So for every $10 we're bidding on a keyword in our campaign, on mobile we're actually bidding $12. All right, because we're telling Google plus 20%. So we do this, we make mobile adjustments based off of data. Always base every single bid adjustment you do based on data and nothing else. All right. There's two mantras that you should stick to always with AdWords. It's increase bids on your winners, decrease bids on your losers. That's it. If you stick to those two things, you'll be fine. So if we come over, look at our mobile phone stats here, look at the last 30 days. You can do this every last 30 days, 14, or last 7. Doesn't really matter. You're going to see here that we got 19% click-through rate, 14 clicks, 6 leads at $69 a lead. That's a total win. Our goal is $100 a lead. So that's converting at 46% too, which is awesome. And we have position 1.2, which doesn't really get much better than that. So we can't really make any more bid adjustments because we're not going to get any difference. If we bid 25% and maybe go to 1.1 or 1.0, it's not going to make a difference, and we'll just pay more. So there's no point to increase this bid any higher. We've already done that. All right. So let's say that tablet traffic, you can see we don't have anything here, but let's say we got 15 clicks from tablets and only 1 conversion or no conversions. What I would do then is immediately come in here and start decreasing tablet traffic by 20%, depending on what the cost per lead was that it cost. So let's say if I got 15 clicks and one lead and it was like, $200 a lead or something like that, that's way the hell over what I'm trying to go for, which is $100 a lead, which you can see here, average we're right on par with. All right, so if I'm paying 200, I'm going to come here and cut the bleeding immediately, and you're just going to start decreasing your loser. All right, remember, increase winners, decrease losers. So that's pretty much it for how you do your bid adjustments with your mobile phones, with desktop computers. Up here you can see it has to make sense for you to increase the bid adjustment. All right, there's no point to increase the bids if I'm position 1.2 or 1.5, which is right where I want to be, to go to 1.1 or 1.2. It's not going to make that much of a difference conversion wise. Again, this is desktop and mobile are totally different platforms, so the conversion rates are gonna vary. But like tablet 2.3. So if 2.3, this could be bid adjusted. All right. If 2.3 was desktop up here, I would definitely increase the bid adjustment by maybe 5%, 10%, something like that, and see where that lands me. So that's basically how you have to run your bid adjustments on devices. Next, you can come down here to advanced bid adjustments and just throw an extra layer of interaction type calls. So if you hover over this here, it gives you a little interaction as any action associated with a specific type of ad. Interactions can be clicks, calls from call extensions, and more. And it's kind of like you're telling Google, I want to bid a little higher for more interaction. And I would just do 5%, something like that, and just kind of slowly scale that up and see how that works out. Excuse me. All right, so nothing crazy. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about device bids or any kind of different platform bids, like mobile or desktop or tablet, anything like that, drop them in the comment section below this video. I'll dive in and answer best I can. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Really appreciate that. Check out the links in the description. There's links to our Facebook group, to a free AdWords optimization guide that you can download right below, and hold your hand and walks you through how to optimize an AdWords campaign for success. I think you'll dig that. Besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.